Welcome back. Now, if you use a WordPress website, what you can do is you can go to the code area. You can copy the entire code and take it to your WordPress website. Once you have the code, you can open a custom HTML area. You can put the code into your WordPress website. You can then preview the information inside of your WordPress website and you'll see your infographic. And if it looks the way you want, you can then finalize your post. So in this case, we're going to click Save Draft. Once we have saved the draft, we are then going to publish the post. And to finalize, we're going to click Publish. And our page is now ready. We can click this button to view our page. And your infographic will then be published on the web on your WordPress website. So you can take any of your artifacts that you have the HTML for, you can copy the HTML code, and if you can place them inside of your custom HTML block, you can publish them on your site. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.